Good morning, lovely people. Haha, it's me back again for another quick video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about them busy people who are always too busy to exercise. So this is an excuse that many people use, is I'm too busy to exercise. It was an excuse that I used before I really started to take my health and fitness very serious, because after all, our health and fitness is the most important thing that we have. If we don't work on our health and fitness, then unfortunately we're going to pay the price for it at some point in time. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, maybe not next year, but eventually, if you don't take your health and your fitness as a priority, then you are going to pay the price of regret. That regret when you're overweight, that regret when you're really unhealthy and you can't do the things that you want to do, like go and play with the children, go for a run, play in the park, have fun. All of these things are something that you're going to regret if you don't make your health and fitness a priority today. So what I wanted to touch on is, first of all, well, how do we make exercise easy to do? Well, it's very simple. The very first thing that I did when I first started exercising, when I really took it serious over 2 years ago, was I made a time in my calendar that I could commit to every single day. Now, this is really important. You need to pick a time where nothing else is going to take priority, because this is normally why people say they're too busy to exercise. They say they're too busy because they can't do it, or they leave it and say, I'll do it after work. And this is probably the worst thing that you can do. So make a time in your calendar where you can exercise every day. It's a priority for your health, your well-being, your future happiness. So make that time. So for me, going all the way back to when I first really started taking my health and fitness seriously, that morning time from 6 o'clock, well, I was up at 5 o'clock, but from 6 o'clock was dedicated to my health and fitness. That's what it was really dedicated for. So I had that first hour of every day where I'd go for a run, I'd do home workout exercises, I'd go to the gym, I'd do whatever. That has become my go-to time where I really exercise. Now I really love it, so I'll even do even more, and I'll come back in the afternoon and do more in the afternoon as well. So that's what you need to do to get away from this excuse. And it is an excuse that you're too busy to exercise. Again, what we have is these excuses, these justifications, the reasons, these complaints. These things stop us from doing what we really want to do and what we know we should be doing. So if you're really serious about your health, your fitness, which you should be, because if you're not serious about it, eventually, like I say, you will pay the price, whether you like to believe that or not. So let's make today the day that you decided to turn a corner. You decided to make your health and fitness and exercise a priority. And what I've done is I've put together a very simple workout for you that you can use even if you're at home. Whatever you need to do, don't let the excuse of going to the gym or whatever be the reason why you don't do it. So I've made a little workout for you, and I've got this designed on a beautiful blog where I'll put into the comments underneath. And if you basically want to read this, you'll be able to go and read that blog and get all of the details on the exercise workout that you can use, that will be very simple and that you can do. So you'll have no excuse to not make exercise a priority. And what I'd love you to do, what I always love everybody to do, is like this video, and don't forget to share this video, because that's the most important. Share the love, baby, because that's what it's all about. Share, give a bit of love. love back. Give it away, give it away. Share this video today. That's the first thing you can do, because we all need a little bit of positivity, and this video is all about positivity. It's all about exercise. It's all about health and fitness. It's all about your well-being as a person. So hit that share button right now, or if you're on another platform watching this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Thank you and goodbye.